discarded by way of manifestation. There is no rule about that.
You have to get the opinion of the members. Diba? You have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi pa ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair, petition lang. May motion si candidate. Magtanong ka kung may objection. Mas tabi ito. May object na deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Yun. Let's follow the procedure. Paglalit na pag may objection, may deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo, if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pindutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako ba?
Incidental lang. Ako rin nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito neophyte kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. We would have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection earlier.
Bago po yung
Yes, but sabi din,
I was asking for an answer.
the answer is
Yung answer niya, based to your tradition or not?
Sabi ko mayroong tradition, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Dapat isunin muna. Kasi yung balagot, nag-move ka, nag-motion lang. Kasi nga eh.
Excuse po. Opo.
and it's extended at the start. At the start, it's extended before intervention. This is required because the petition is suspended, and it is also introduced by a member which intervened parts of the motion. So it's not a there's no such authorization to set it aside.
magano na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record.
Ito, di nakarecord dito. Record, sabi ko tayo pero ito.
Wala na dapat tanong. Ang nangyari, a barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition? Well kept ko yung hindi nga, pinagtatanong niya siya. Meron pang pratinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So, ano na pinagtatanong niya sa kanila? These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, Madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, pratinela pa. Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pang-labing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro. When the Vice President was Binay. When Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. You did not introduce.
Sana may motion siya ngayon.
That is the manifestation of the Constanza Napolita, and it should be answered by the members. Motion, then after that, Napolita will hold that motion. Hindi pa nga nasagot eh. Will really be just Napolita to speak? And then we'll move on to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung
But have a member.
No. More of motion. Parliamentary.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the issue.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move. Saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. No, goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat members answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman na tinatanong ko, pera naman natin. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
hey, we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Hey, why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede magsalita? We are also members, we just the same. Alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ng chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the chairman.
Bakit magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, bakit? Hindi nagsalita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Of course, ano yung chairman ng
Here is the version